Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we are going to make Watergate salad. I don't know why they call it that. Anyway, another name for that is green goddess salad. It's a salad on the sweet side, and so it only has 5 ingredients. Okay, so let's just jump in. It's very easy to make. This is like 10 minutes. 5 minutes to get the stuff together and 5 minutes to mix it. So we have one 20-ounce can of pineapple. You leave the water, leave everything in it, okay? We have 1 package of instant pudding pistachio. It's gotta be pistachio. That's why it's green. So we're gonna add that, okay? And then we have 1 cup of marshmallows. You know what? I think I should mix this first. Ah, that's why it's turning green. Let me just get this pudding mixed up properly first before I add these marshmallows, so that I make sure I mix this properly. Again, as I said, it's pretty simple. You just have to make sure that you mix this well. I love the green color. So it's just something a little bit different to add, you know, when you have your parties or, you know, you have people over. 1 cup of mini marshmallows and half a cup of pecans. So you can crush them a little bit, okay? And once we have that, we're gonna just mix this all together. Yep. And I just really want to make sure I have all of the pudding mixed. I don't want to see any of the powder from the pudding. So I feel that it's mixed. It's great. Last ingredient, number 5. 1.5 cup of Cool Whip. You want to make sure that the Cool Whip is not frozen, and you defrost it so that it's nice and soft, I guess. See how soft and easy that is? Okay, so we're gonna add this. Like I said, you know, it's important to have things that you can make that are quick, that are different, taste good. I can't really twist this because this is just traditionally the way it's made. Okay. So now we incorporate the Cool Whip. Yeah, I gotta find out why they call it Watergate salad. I should have looked that up, right? Okay, and so we're gonna mix our Cool Whip till we get to 1 color, supposedly. You know, we don't want, you know. Oh, this looks good. Yeah. I can't wait to taste it. Well, guys, that's it. It's mixed. And, of course, I want to taste first. So I'm just going to put some here for me to taste. And let's see. I don't know what I would garnish this with. I guess a piece of mint would look good, but there's no mint in it. You know? Wow. Pretty cool. So guys, yesterday was our 1st year anniversary. Pretty cool. 1 year of Shelly's Cuisine and Shelly's Cuisine recipes. Again, thanks to all the twisters. Wow. So, here you have it. You have to refrigerate this for 1 hour. Cover it with plastic wrap. Refrigerate for 1 hour. And there is your Watergate salad. A moment of truth. We have to taste. Oh my God. I'm sorry. It's really good. With the crushed pineapple and the pecans, absolutely delicious. Thank you for making Watergate salad with us today. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. Please visit our website, www.shellyscuisine.com, for the recipe and many other recipes. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.